Alright, so we're going to now just go right into part 2. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this block back up on top of here. And we got to figure out what's going on with these bees over here. We got to figure this out, folks, because there's something going on. Because this hive is just doing gangbusters. I mean, look at the activity, right? And then you look at that minute little bit of activity on this one. So the first thing I want to check, this water. What's going on there? Is there a blockage? There should not be. No, there is sugar water in there. So I don't know why they are not utilizing that sugar water. There we go. Just gonna put that right back in because that one's fine. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna check this hive and try to get an idea of what's happening. Okay. So we pull this top off. A little bit of activity there. And it's okay. Now you're going to see the difference in these hives. A lot less activity with these guys. I mean, a lot less activity. These are ants, I believe. All right. See, there's some activity there, but not nearly like the other hive. All right. Man, it's just, it is absolutely night and day. Freaking night and day. A lot slower. Not nearly as active. Yeah. We're gonna pop out. Oh, man, this one is heavy though. I will give you that. This one is a heavy one. Wow. All right, let's see what we got. Ooh, what in the hell? All right, there's something going on with this one. Look at that crap in that. Like a sickness. Yeah, that's. Tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna scrape that crap right off of there. I don't know what in the hell that is. That is not good though. I don't know, folks. I mean, there was a larvae there, okay. But I don't know what this goop is on here. I'm going to have to ask my bee guy, because I really don't know. Now I'm seeing larvae in here, okay. But I just, golly, I don't know. Yeah, this is such a lethargic hive in comparison to the other one. Golly, come on. I mean, I'll give you an example. I'm gonna pop this one out over here, and you're probably gonna see no I don't know what the hell that was. Here, let me pop this one. I'm gonna have to call my bee guy. But see that one? No activity. They're not really doing much of anything on that outside one. There's no queen cells either, so that's good. Yeah, this is bizarre. Which one will we just do? Let's get... I mean, there's activity. Excuse me. Right. There's definitely activity, but these guys are not going. All right, that looks better. That looks better there, guys. Yeah, that looks a lot better. I mean, it seems like they're doing okay. Again, I'm not seeing queen cells, so that's a good thing. Which means they're not trying to get away or go elsewhere. Come on now. Yeah, see, they seem upset now. That was so weird. Alright, this one's got a lot more. This one's heavy too. Yeah, that one looks okay. Alright. Alright, I'm not seeing queen cells, so I'm not going to continue to mess with this hive just because I want to let them do their thing. I'm going to look at one more. No, that's the one I already looked at. Okay. Never mind. Alright, so I guess it was... Alright, we'll look at this one. So these guys here are definitely off to a slower start. Yeah, see? It's got some honey in there. And they're filling stuff up there. Now, okay, that might be a start of a queen cell, so we'll get rid of that. Alright. So bizarre. I have no idea. No idea what's going on with this hive. I mean, they're there. That one section does not look good, but everything else looks okay. And, so... Alright, so make sure we push that back to the back again. That was bizarre, folks. I really don't know. I don't have the answers of what was going on there. But again, I think I'm going to get rid of this sugar water here and give them new stuff. And hopefully that will make a difference with everything. I'm going to take these other jars. I already had, if you can see with these ones, I had switched out the other jars that I had, so these are cleaner. And all right, so we'll go that way. So these ones are cleaner, and I'm going to I'll wash these other ones out. But yeah, it's crazy that the one hive is doing so well and the other hive is just not. I don't know. I do not know what the answer is. I wonder if that's slanted. See where that one seems more straight. I have to get a level out here and see. But that one hive is doing fantastic. That's why we went with 2 hives this year. Hopefully, hopefully they'll both be okay, and we'll go from there. But it's interesting. I will tell you guys that it's so bizarre that one hive can be so unbelievably awesome, and then the other hive just not thriving in the same way as the other hive is. And yes, this is hot. I'm just going to put that out there. Whew. My goodness. Wow. Oh, that feels better already. And it's very warm in the bee suit. Hell is probably like, where have you been? Oh. I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. All right. So anyway, I hope you enjoy these 2 videos. Like I said, it's really can see the difference between the activity in the one hive and the other. So obviously the one hive is doing fantastic. I got to call my bee guy and ask him, what is that white goopy crap coming out of that other side? I tried to get a lot of that out of there. I may have to have him come down and look. But anyhow, please be safe, keep prepping, take care of your business. Super excited about that one side, looks fantastic, so that's a good thing. Remember guys, that we truly are all in this together. We are one race called the human race. Please be safe, keep prepping, tell the people that you love every day how you feel. I'm going to jump off here real quick. And always remember STD, step, thing, and day. Take care of your business, do what you got to do, one step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time, and you're going to get there. Have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Prepper Nurse 1 and Miss Hella from the back seat, out for now. She would be back there getting stung like crazy, and that's why I don't have her go back with me.